What's up guys, Eti and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So for today's video, I decided to do some fashion hacks that I have learned so far. So you guys can also try them out and let me know. So the first one is for those pair of jeans that we absolutely love but are loose in the waist area. So to tighten them up, all you guys need is a scarf. So all you guys need to do right now is to pass the scarf from the belt loops and create a bow from it, and you no longer have an ill-fitted jeans. This hack is perfect for those days when you want to wear low-cut boots or sneakers and you don't want your socks to peek out. So all you guys need to do is pull your socks over the foot and tuck your sock hole under the heels so that you don't have any socks peeking out, and you can easily wear those low-cut boots or sneakers and roam around. How many times does that happen to you that you have that extra belt piece hanging and you can't do anything about it? If it is so, then don't worry my girls, I have got you all covered up. So all you guys need to do is find your best friend. Not the best friend that you're thinking right now. I'm talking about your another best friend, which is your rubber bands. So firstly, you need to place your rubber band under your belt, and now it has two loops. So firstly, all you guys are going to do is place your belt from the lower loop and do the same from the upper loop, and tada! It's done! And now your belt is not going to move anywhere. Sometimes when we wear blazers or coat, they might tend to look a bit bulky. So to remove the bulkiness of it, all you guys need to do is to fold your blazer along with your shirt, and that helps to reduce the bulkiness of it a little bit. With this hack, you can convert any straight leg pants into jogger pants. So to do it, all you guys need to do is pull the bottom of your pants as if you want to fold them, and then place the rubber band in between them and fold it again. And now taking the folded section, we are going to fold that inside so that nothing is being seen. I hope it made sense, and that's how we convert any straight leg pants into joggers, just to make it look a little cuter. And I paired them with some dainty jewelry and a tan bag. So that is it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and if you guys like any of this video, then give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.